Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're going to address a common issue that many Blink security camera users face, the frustrating situation when Blink is not recording. If you found yourself in this predicament, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get your Blink cameras back on track. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's jump into fixing the Blink not recording issue. Step 1. Check camera connectivity. The first step is to ensure that your Blink cameras are properly connected to your Wi-Fi network. Head over to the Blink app on your smartphone and verify the camera's status. If it's offline, try repositioning the camera closer to your router or check for any network issues. Step 2. Power cycle your cameras. Sometimes, a simple power cycle can do wonders. Unplug the camera, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help resolve any minor glitches and re-establish a stable connection. Step 3. Update Blink firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to various issues, including problems with recording. Check for any available updates in the Blink app or on the official Blink website. Make sure your cameras are running the latest firmware version. Step 4. Review motion detection settings. Double-check your motion detection settings in the Blink app. Ensure that the sensitivity is appropriately set and that you haven't accidentally disabled motion detection for the specific camera. Adjust the settings if necessary. Step 5. Check camera placement. The placement of your Blink cameras plays a crucial role in their performance. Make sure they are positioned correctly, avoiding obstructions and ensuring they have a clear view of the monitored area. Step 6. Verify storage capacity. Insufficient storage space can prevent Blink from recording. Check the available storage on your Blink Sync module or local storage device. If it's full, consider deleting old footage or upgrading your storage capacity. Step 7. Reinstall the Blink app. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Blink app on your smartphone. This can help resolve any software-related issues that might be preventing the cameras from recording. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to troubleshoot and fix Blink not recording issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow Blink users. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Blink's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech-savvy.